Welcome back again. This is the results for Nadex Cash Printer VIP session on Wednesday the 16th. We're going to give the results. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, give me some sharing, and subscribe to the channel. These are the results. I'm just going to go through because I have a few more to do, like I said. Um, so Wednesday the 16th, I'm going to continue the results. Buy EJ 11 p.m. expiry at 144.30. 144.30, that would be somewhere down here. Let me see. 144.30 would be, this is blocking it, but 144.30, this is the level right here. It's still down here. Was a buy. Price was right here. Buy at 144.30. Look, this is the trajectory you can see here. Price going up. We go down again. This one might show it. 144.30 is down here. So you see in 144.32 is, so 30 is right below. This was the buy at 11 hours 48 minutes. Now this was not for an expiry. All right. When we take, this is what you call an hourly trade. See, expiring 11 p.m. We had 11 hours. Let me show you. We had like 11 hours and 48 minutes to go still. Well, what we want to capitalize on is just this move here, this move right here. That's all we want to take. Okay, so this was the move here. 11 hours 48 minutes still to go. We got it this here. So I say hope you caught the move. It's not about the expiry. All right, so top of the last minute candle, took profits on 3 contracts. 1 2 3 at the top of the, when it peaked here, I took off 3 contracts. Bam. See this? Clean. A clean move. This is all we wanted, not the full 11 hours. This is what we wanted right here. I say I'm out now. And that was it. So this was one Wednesday. This was one take profit. But now, yeah, I just went on to show just how powerful the move was. Why I felt compelled to take this setup. I said, I said, okay, so I lied. Now I'm getting out because I could see the volume still spiking. So as much as I wasn't in full profit just yet, I was not max profit, so I let it run a little bit up. I actually had, I took out 3 contracts and I left 2 running. All right, so that was one take profit. Then I said sell AJ daily, another there's another hourly trade, 11 p.m. at 94.50. Then I say I'm waiting for premium price. I wanted, it was going up here, I wanted price to come to this level, 94.50, right here. Once it got here, this is the sell that I wanted. That's the sell. Again, all we're doing is capitalizing on the move. That's why I say sell AJ at this level, just to capitalize on this move. Okay, I know there was a reversal here. We had some bearish volume coming in, and I remember I had lost signal on the computer, so I did this snapshot from my cell phone all the way, just from my cell phone, and look at the drop here. Make it bigger. You see is AJ. It was a sell. Just to continue AJ sell. Yeah. So that was, I said, don't be shy to partake when in profits. Well, at this drop, I know there was already profits already. And I was like, wow, dark ages, because cell, my network dropping off. That was, I said no Wi-Fi, shaking my head. And then I said, remember the goal this week. Yeah, the goal was not giving back to the market what we made. So there was two take profit. Started a little different uh, on Wednesday. Usually I just do 5 minutes, but I did these two take profits because the setup was there. Right here, yeah, we see somebody send a screenshot and they had sold UJ. Where did this UJ come from? This is not a UJ trade. This was an AJ trade. Or either maybe the same move occurred in the because of the J affiliation. So sometimes people the same move that's occurring in one yeah, sometimes there's the same move that's occurring on one with one pair, similar pair, the same move occurs. So it's possible that maybe they capitalize on that. I don't know, but whatever this is. So that was our two take profit. And then I say about here, I said about to sell EJ. Selling EJ at 94.50, not EJ. This wasn't an EJ. 94.50. Let me see this. It was supposed to be an AJ. Wow. 94.50. Then I said scratch this. Bam. 94.50, and it actually was a good sell. Yes, it was a good sell. The move happened fast, and my PC had frozen. That's why I said scratch it. I didn't want to let people be in a trade that I couldn't like visually manage. But I know some of them went into it because they told me after that it was a good play. And here you can see this was a drop. My AJ sell. And they took profit. So that would have been, imagine we started no 5 minute expiry, just 3 take profits right from the get. Look at it. And I said we could drop. Next, this one is a 5 minute. Buy UCAD for a buy, 5 minute UCAD buy at 32.78. We buying at 32.78. This was the buy. Look at this. You get this jump right here in price. Fire easy bags. Okay, that was an easy bag. It actually expired 32.78, full in the money. So this was our first ITM. One ITM, 3 take profits. I say next peeping. Prepping to sell UCAD from 32.91. It got some hike still was some ways down. Volume switch, and then I change it. I say prepare a buy at 13.81 on the UCAD. Let me see, 13.81 right here. This was the buy. This from this level, a buy right here. Let's see what happened. Whoops. Let me go back. This is UCAD, right? Buy 32.81. Okay. Yeah, that's right here. 32.81. Was that the same one from before? Yes, right here. We bought 32.81. That's this here. Come back here. Prepper buy the 32.81. Right here. 453. Somebody came in. Kurt. I say hi, Kurt. Great. Welcome to the Profit Zone. And then I said, guys, I'm appealing. Please exercise and observe utmost discipline with your capital. Don't over leverage. A constant volume of accurate signals and alerts will accumulate and keep you in the green. Just take one lot size. I keep saying lot size. Just do one contract because of the amount of trades that you get in. We're going to steadily and constantly be increasing our capital, sitting capital. Okay. But even after I gave this this appeal, I said, by the way, it's just a suggestion. All right. I missed that one day just now. All this is during our UCAD. Okay. We still have our UCAD buy going down. No, we still, yeah, was just a suggestion. So this one, oh, it was in the money. All right. Two in the money. Wow, I got ahead of myself. Sorry, I'm a little discombobulated because it's 4 different days I'm doing each session separate. Prep UCAD for a sell at 32.96, and I said prepping to sell next session. If Nadex doesn't move the cheese, I'm going to take 33.01. So we have a little bit. Let me go into this again. So I'm saying first sell at 32.96. 32.96 would be right here for a sell. If Nadex doesn't move the cheese, if Nadex move the cheese, I'm going to take, I think, 33.01. That's what I said. If Nadex doesn't move the cheese, then I'm going to take 33.01 because I know for the next session that's what's going to happen. I say the bulls have a resurgence. Shot up. All right. So this sell price, I say price went to Pluto again. And I said don't take 33.11. 33.11 would be right here. I say don't take it. Yep. Why I said don't take it? Because this is what I was seeing. Price was going to plummet. So this was a loss. I think this was a loss. Let me go back and check. Yeah, it was sell UCAD. So if we sold 32.96 and 33.01, this 32.96 here, price didn't go below 33.01. Doesn't look like price went below. So this was a loss. Two take profit. No, 3 take profit. 2 in the money. And 1 loss. 1 loss. Next, buy GJ at 164.60. And then I say scratch that. Don't take 63. Well, I said 63, 64, then 63. Market movement now seem very artificial. Or I say this is how people trading pure price patterns, this is how they get clipped. Okay, so we didn't take this trade. Preparing to sell UJ. I said I was looking at 139.250. 139.250 would be somewhere up here, but we had no strikes, as you can see. 139.25. We had no strikes. So this was a sell UJ. So I'm looking at 139.250. If price hikes through it, then I said don't enter. 250 would be here. Price went through. We had no strikes. That's why I said don't enter. No strikes. At It's still the 5th, November 5th. I said I'm cooling, not trying to give back my morning bags. Somebody, I moved in there, I didn't put in there. Somebody said I already did, laugh out loud. I didn't see, I didn't see the don't enter till, oh, she said she think she took and she didn't see me say don't enter until she was already 60 down. Good Lord in heaven. Yes, she didn't pay attention when I said right here, don't enter. See, this is live. I'm just giving you just as it happened in the chat coming down. Just what, you know, I try to not have people's name in the chat because I don't think it's a little unethical. Some people, because of their privacy, they won't want them solved. But that's why I think I went back and when I copied it, I moved the name um, from in the chat. So I said I lost the one you had. Wow. Ooh, $60. And because she didn't see when I said don't enter. And she was showing me this was her, she was actually upset. This was what she had, 281. And look, now 628, 628. So you know, people making money. How much was it before? Yeah, from 281 to 628. I don't know how, I can't do that math in my head now. So all this is the 15th. So I say you go now, that's what we up in here for. Then I said take some singles. She said yes, I'll be happy to close my week with 640 because she just got hit. No, I mean she would have made more. Well, I see where she taking another trade. 640, I'm seeing 628 here. So maybe she has something in the pocket. Oh, I think she has 2 accounts also. Whatever. She's making money. Buy EU, no strikes. Let me see how there was no strike. Oh, but I say buy EU at 0353. 0353. Right here. Price came down. This was 0353 was a buy. Now I know you see in this down here. I think this I was in another trade. This I can't remember what trade, but I think this was one of the hourly trades, another hourly trade I was in, showing 325. It's not related to this trade here. This EUR USD, yeah. EU, right here. Bam, looking for the buy. And it closed above, so this was a full in the money. There's 3 in the money, 3 take profit, 1 loss. Prep to buy EJ. Now I said buy at 143.76. Premium no good. 143.76. Buy EJ right here, 143.76. Oh, this premium, or when it was here, this premium would have been okay. I don't know why. There was a buy right there. Just had to wait until the price come down and then get it. Here we have the move. 143.76. Here we have the nice green. Dollars. Profits taken, but it came back and it closed out the money. So this is another take profit. This is the most take profit I've had in a long time. 4 take profit and 3 ITM. Now I said, good for you. It's the discipline that keeps you alive. Prepping for UJ buy. UJ buy was the strike. No available strikes because price is all the way down here. Nothing. No, these are the strikes. There was no strike here. So UJ we wanted a buy and we had no strikes. And I say next session we buying at 138.79 after pullback. So you're buying at 138.79. 138.79 will be right here. Yeah, we had this pullback here, and this is what we are looking for. This buy here, 138.79. Price would have been lousy where it is. That's why if I tell some people price is already going, don't try it again. You want to get in when price is here, so you have a good premium. If the move is already going, yeah, you want to get some skinny cash, but it's not. I mean, if you're doing a high lot size and you're just going to scalp and get out, is okay. But one lot to risk $80-90 to get what, you know. So I typically like to get in here once we're below the strike, so we get a good premium. This was a buy, move really quick. All right, went up. UJ already turned. This was a full in the money. There's 4 real fast. Prep to sell UCAD. Prep to sell UCAD. This is the UCAD right here. What's the strike? No trades, low volume consolidation. Yeah. Price was going sideways right here. So it was I was showing a sell, but price was just hovering between. So there was nothing here, and this was too much of a risk to take a sell and then nothing. This consolidation. So I left that alone. And I say sell UCAD 32. Still November 16th. Yeah, we at this. Sell UCAD 32.81. Wait for pull through strike. No, I good premium. Whatever. Something was wrong with my writing. So we're looking to sell UCAD at 32.81. Right here. Price was here 32.81. We would have a decent premium for this drop. Bam. Great sell, but price sucked. This is just showing when I took the picture, but the trade call, getting it from here, you would have gotten a good premium. So right here, see, I had an image going. So this was a full ITM, just to make a point, even though. So that was 5 first time ITM over take profit. 5 ITM. Then I say prep to buy UCAD at 32.71. 32.71 right here. Prep for the buy. Price here. This is the buy right here. This is how it traveled. I took the picture just at when it was about to expire. Yeah. I think this was a full ITM also. Got the bottom of this one. Nice money. Yeah, full ITM. 6 ITMs on the 16th. Fire blaze. The next was a buy EU when it pulled to 0.3 5.3. I say I got the first dip right here. I think she got stung. Somebody got stung. I think this was they got stung on this EU buy. Here, got stung right here. Let me see if I could try to figure out, analyze why she got stung. Well, I said I'm still holding 2 bags of 5. I got out with 3. Okay, it's a regular thing I do. I take profit on 3 and hold 2 to see if I can catch an ITM. Not seeing any images. UJ, I say I'm still holding 2 or 5 bags, shaking my head. So this is why I say I had 3 take profit and 2 out the money. There's 2 losses. So I had, so that's 5 take profit and 2 losses and another loss and another loss. I'm just counting it as 1, not 3 trades, just 1 trade. So this is 1 win, 1 take profit, and 1 loss. UJ for a sell. Yeah, but there was no strike. No go. Then prep to sell UJ again. Shaking my head. Still no strike. It was way out in outer space. UJ. No strike. Gone to Pluto. Again. Then I say we'll see what happened next session. It's already melting. It had just started falling. And then no go. Because we still didn't get any strike. Came in play. Yeah, I started getting like a little headache. This was the pullback UJ. I like taking a lot of shots so people, because I know a lot of people are just on their phones or tablet or whatever, so they're not necessarily switching screen to a chart to see the back, because they still got to be seeing the Telegram chat feed plus their charts. So I keep sending a whole bunch of pictures. It's decent. It's nice when you have a laptop where you see in the Telegram and a chart, or your with Telegram on your phone where you see in the signals, and then you have the computer where you see in your chart. So this is supposed to be a sell. My bullish volume still too high to commit. Couldn't get in. Right here, see here, it was the bullish, but then it dropped. Look, BAP. It fell, and I said I missed it. Finally, I missed it. Well, I had it. I called a sell, but I don't know why I missed it. I missed this sell. This would have been nice. Easy money. Yeah, look at this. Hold on. What's it? Oh, I didn't call it. I didn't call it because I think I took this trade. Usually sometime when I see it, I have like 4 or 5 different computers open sometimes. So I missed it, and then I said finally, but I was in this trade. I'm clearly remembering this. I'm thinking so. I was. Oh yeah, look. I know I took the trade. I said I'm all out. Then I said will be a full ITM. Yeah, I know I was in this trade. This was an ITM 7 ITM. It was less than 1 minute between this in this picture, from this to this. See this long candle? It went across every strike. Could you imagine that, huh? then the price had closed from right here. Okay, shot up, come back down. Wow. Okay, I say treacherous and unforgiving market. UJ sell daily 11 p.m. 139.56. Should spike to strike. Yes, UJ. This one is an hourly. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It should spike to strike. What's the strike? 139.56. 139.56. So price is here, and I was looking for a spike up here before the sell. So one. What is the 5 minute? Never got it. Have decent entries. Let me see how much more time. 2 hours. Oh, this is an hourly. This is an hourly, so I got it from up here. The spike and then the drop down here. I have 2 hours and 43 minutes, but I'm not going for that full expiry. So I got a few half decent entries. And then I said EU is a buy for the next 3 minutes. That was a different trade. This hourly is going on, but I said EU also had a buy for the next 3 minutes. I can't see any strike new session. Buy EJ. Wow, I had a lot going on here. Buy EJ 0371. See EU, it was about we had the buy above, supposed to be 71. 71 is down here, so price actually finished below the 73, but it's above 71. Let me minimize this trade. 71 is here, and price is closing expired right here. So this was in the money. 8 ITM full in the money, and that other one was a take profit. So I said good morning. I don't know, somebody probably joined the chat. If I can see a time on it. Yeah, we're still on the 16th of November. Somehow, at this crazy time, somebody would come in. Good morning. Buy UJ 139.41. Take max profit dollars. I didn't have a picture. UJ. Let me think. Buy UJ 139.41. Where it's at. 139.41. Yeah, that would be this right here. Okay. 2 minutes. UJ 139.41. Look at this. I think it ended. Let me see. Yeah, this ended at expiry. Out the money. Let me check and see. Wait for the ball to strike. No, it was a full in the 133 was full in the money. That would be 9. And then there was the take 145.16 or Nadex move the cheese. And then I said no, don't get out, stay in, because I meant the 18 strike. Wow, bearish volume surge. I'll push back down from this. Let me see it. Yes, the bearish volume surge. Drop. Bam. So it's actually a take profit when I said get out. 10 in one in the money and one take profit. That's 6. All of these are on the 16th. Let's keep going. EJ. What was the call for the EJ? EJ call was, I had like 3 different stuff going on. Oh, yeah, we called the EJ already. I actually called 3 trades at the same time, one hourly and a huge EJ and a UJ right here. Yeah, I think she made money on the EJ, $30. Yeah, EJ. Man, I take so many pictures. I take so many pictures. This was a sell. I'm not seeing the, I don't know where the text is at. This was EJ sell, 145.33. Nope, couldn't be. EJ, 2 minutes. I feel like I was taking pictures crazy and sending it. Either way, I know this this is out the money. This is a loss. I can't remember exactly what the strike was, but it was a loss. Yes. So let me, for transparency, I gotta write it down. It's 3 losses, 10 in the money, 6 take profit. And I say buy in 145.11 strike. 144.11 is going to be right here under the 16. Let me show you. 144.11 is right here. 145.11 right here. It's a buy. Is the buy. Huge jump. A nice huge buy. Again, you could see it. 144 is 11 down here. It's the buy. The buy is still here. Let me go a huge buy. This is stuff we should be taking profit on. Like this. Okay? When you have from 145.11 and we get this buy, take profit. You know. Look, that's why I said should be out of this trade by now. Easy. Right here. Full in the money. 11 in the money. Moving on. Prep GJ for a sell. Prep GJ for a sell. I will sell from 166.08. Wait for pull to strike. Huge volume drop. And then I say checking to see if there's news impact. One of my indicators I checked, it said news or high volatility spread has changed. So everything I'm monitoring, everything every second of the trade, if there's any changes within the market itself that would impact the outcome or the result of the trade. And then I went on, I say prep GJ for a sell, and I say we'll sell from 166.11. Wait for the pull to strike. It's 166.11 here. Wait for the pull. When price come up, this is as high as it would go. You get your good numbers, whatever number you have here, and you sell. So I say we'll sell from 166.11. That's where I wanted it to take it from. When price started coming back, I started reminding them. I say remember, secure profits based on your capital. Okay. Price actually, even from here, it went back and it had pushed up. See this here? Price was here, it went and it pushed a little bit back up right next to the strike that I say want to sell from. So with this push, can enter in again and even make more money for the drop. And then I said, it's great. Somebody I was talking, I said, it's great you got out with some profit. I still have some skin in this game, but I took some profits. Yeah, usually I would go with 5, and then I'd take 3 and leave 2. See, this was this way all the way. And now remember this 166. When I gave the call, okay, I say wait for pull through the strike. So I'm actually seeing the level before that I want to sell from. Okay, a lot of people, they gauge the market and they watch to see the pull, they watch to see, they watch, and then when maybe they see a little wick form, and then they would give a sell. Price could be here and I'm already established. This is where I'm going to be selling from. That's how accurate I am. I see, remember, secure profits based on the capital. I told them, yeah, it's good. They got it with some profits, and it was a full ITM. It's going to be 12. The scanning GJ sell 166.18, GJ sell 166.18, same price here, close here, went up from here 166.18. We're looking for the sell. Was moving fast. After it went up, it came back down. Look, 166.18, and you just drop all the way here. That's money. That's money can start taking. Okay, this expired full in the money also. 13. I say prep UCAD for a buy. And if you see, I give my calls early. Prep UCAD for a buy at 132.41. A buy 132.41 would be here. It's a buy. So from this level to here, I don't know how much they got in here, but had 2 chances at the profits. Yeah, it went up, came back down, and rode up again to this level. That's money. That's money right here. Was a buy, huge dollars. It touched my 50 and then started coming back again, but by then the trade was expired. Was a full in the money. 14 in the money. Sell UCAD. It's the next trade. I said sell UCAD. Somebody, they sent I said no strike. Somebody sent a picture. Looks like they're in a gym. They're in a gym and they're reading, figuring out what normal drawing, what normal something in market profile. What's normal drawing a market profile. Somebody was probably they trading from in wherever they're working out. Anyhow, I said no strike. What was the call again? Sell UCAD or no strike. Well, price would have been here and I didn't have anything here, so I didn't give a strike. And then I said sell UCAD 132.68. 132.68. 132.68 would be 132.65. 68 would be somewhere here. Seen that? I'm not seeing it here, but on my other chart, on my MT5 chart, where I do my analysis, I would be seeing this. This is why I would be able to call for this push up to 168. That's where I get my levels from. Maybe someday I'll show you all that chart. All right. So this is the sell right here. Sell UCAD 132.68. That would be right, probably dead right here. This is the sell. Look, 132.68 when the session started. This was actually in the session. Yeah. This is why I was planning for it. So in this session, I can see 132.68 right here. It's actually shot past it. Get the drop, move fast. I say, did you get filled? I took the first drop. Then I say it's there again, but I got in on the 32.73 right here. 32.73 would be somewhere up here. See if another chart might have it. Is there again, but I got in. Oh, she says there again, but I got in. No, I said this. I got in a 32.73. Push right here, and then this drop. That was the second time around. Yep, as I remember. And somebody said OMG, and they started celebrating. I am accurate. I think this was an ITM. ITM, yeah, full ITM, big dollars. Look at this. Whoopee. There's 15 ITM. 15 in the money trades. Prep, let me see this one. Prep GJ for a buy at 165.21. 165.21, that's right here. Price for us came down. So we take this buy. This is just the trajectory we wanted. Was fast. Yeah, it rose really fast. 165 buy, 165.13. I think this was another trade. You see? Yeah. I didn't even waste the same GJ. So this one was an ITM 16. I don't know how I didn't take a picture also. This one was a rocket. Next one was 165.13 here. From here, price went up. When price close here, okay, and it pulls down, and you make the buy for 113, and skies back all the way to 165 before it drops back. When it's here, you can take profit. You can take profit on this trade and get out. But some people are just like that, the whole ITM. Okay, so here we have it still. 18 price when we bought this, price went up, shot through here. I say nice cash, and then I look. This is the greedy me. Okay, I was just greedy. Should have bought more at the 165.08, right when it came back here. LOL. Can't do that all the time. Okay, so it went up and came back down. Was at the level closed. This was a full ITM. 17 in the money. The site shut down. Yeah, my site I shut down. Then I took buy GU at 1.1903. 1903 would be right below here. Was a buy right here. Looking for this trajectory. Okay, right here. 1903. There's the buy here. Easy cash. This was a full in the money. What is this? Yeah, probably don't even wanna see what that video is. Whatever. This is all we business with. We closed above the 1903 here. So this was another full in the money. 18. 18 in the money. There was another one right here. Buy EU 0385. Buy EU 085. That would be this right here. Expired in the money. Expired in the money. Full in the money. 19 take 19 ITM full dollars. Let's go. What we have here? Let me see you. Still have another one. Buy EU 0383. 0383 right here was a buy. Okay, this buy here 0383. We just want price to close above this. Now these are the 5 minutes, so you'll see it red, but if this is a green, if this was 1 minute, you'd see from here this would be a green candle, green candles from here going back up. Okay, it looks red because it's 5 minute, but it's really a buy from here. Full in the money again. Okay, here is where price went up, come right down, price close here. Okay, this is the new 5 minute session. There's 20. On Wednesday we had 20 in the money. 20 in the money. Okay, we had a UCAD, you buy UCAD at 33.28 right here. Price would have been right here with the buy when we bought. There's a 5 minute. But we would have been maybe just a little bit below. Yeah. UCAD buy. See that little green came in here? When it went up, there's a green right here. Let me see what number it's at. 33.29. I have a lot of patience in doing this. A lot of patience. Right here is still above the 28. We want it to close above the 28. Right here, we want to close here. All right. Good money. This would be, I think this expired in the money. Here. 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 I had a trade running on this all this time, by the way. Okay, the hourly trade that I took. Here, UCAD here, 44 seconds. If you see 44 seconds to go on the UCAD, closing above this. This was a full in the money. All right. Wow. I actually had a huge trade open on this account. Full in the money, and when it was a full in the money, that would be 21. And then I said, now buy UCAD at 33.23. Buy it at 33.23. It never quite came back. Let me see what happened. Oopsie daisy. Yeah. At 30, this is at 33.23. It went back up. This is at expiry. Wow. Again, so there would be 22 in the money. This is why I took a picture. I just drew this to show them in the group. This is an example of a solid support and resistance when you trade in the sideways market. You could just get along here so you have a very good idea when price touch is going to go back up. At the top here, price just was bouncing right between these levels, this zone here. You can trade this and this is on the 5 minute. Okay, each candle here represents 5 minutes. So just for a few hours right here, we had this price just doing this. You could see it started dropping off here and getting smaller, but nonetheless, this was a support, a strong support and a very strong resistance on the 5 minute. So I just bring this up so they could see. I say couldn't see in a cleaner resistance zone actually support also. That was just a by the way. I say easiest market to scalp reversals. Then I had buy UJ 139.53. 139.53, this UJ, a buy right here. Get this trajectory here. This is the trajectory here. We got the buy, UJ. All of this is still on the 16th, okay? We had a full ITM. 23 ITM. 23 ITM, okay? Then I had a sell UJ 139.63. 139.63 from here. This was a sell UJ. This sell right here. There you see it. There you see the drop. UJ. See the drop. I took a lot of pictures. And right here is at close 39.63. Price went down and came back right here. This is the beginning of this 4-minute session, 5-minute session. So price closed below here. This was a full in the money right here. 24 in the money. 24 in the money on the 16th. Still the 16th. I had a buy AU at 66.99. 66.99 buy AU. This is what we're looking for here. This trajectory. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same chart. 66.99. A buy. Already in profit right there. Bam. Bam. This one here, we're still above, even though it's really close. Right there. 66.99.4 with 26 seconds to go. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's not even showing. I know it was a full in the money. I did a video when I see it's going to be close like that. So let me see. Oh, it wasn't in the money. So we had 25 ITM on the 16th. Yeah, I don't need to play it. It was a full in the money. So on the 16th we had 25 ITMs, 6 take profits, and 3 losses. I would say that's a very good ratio. Very good, accurate trading. So let me close off this one. I think it's time. I did Tuesday and Wednesday. Tomorrow there's no trading, so I should be able to do Thursday and Friday results. Hope you guys have a wonderful night. Thank you guys for joining me. Sorry this video was so long, but I really wanted to get these results out there so people can see and understand and really know that this is an action that they can take and participate in also and make some good money trading binary options, be it the hourly or the 5 minutes. Okay, you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, whatever part of the world you're at. Remember to subscribe If you have any comment to make, okay, go ahead and make it. Any trolls will be kicked out. I'm very, very serious. I don't have time dealing with that. If you don't have anything nice to say, then just don't say anything. Okay, I appreciate everybody who's sending the good comments. I haven't gotten any dislikes really, by the way. Everybody likes the video. Send me a message in my email. That's Nadex Cash Printer, NADEXCASHPRINTER at gmail.com. Send me, let me know what your thoughts are on what we're doing here, what you'd like to see. I'm trying to get some tutorials material together. That way people can understand. Now, like I say, I'm not a teacher, and my strategy is not for sale, and I'm not teaching it. But I'm giving the signals of it so people can still benefit and make a lot of money uh, via the Nadex platform. I'm working on something people were mentioning about pocket option. Um, they don't have strikes, so where you get a buy or sell is at the current, at the indicative price. Whatever price is at when you buy or sell, that's right where it's going to be. Nadex, you still have the flexibility. You can go a little bit, you can drop a little bit, depending on what uh, ratio you want to take. There's a lot more management to your funds. Either way, when that time comes, I'll let you guys know if you need help with anything. I also have a demo group where you can go in the demo and we can practice until you come up to speed before you move over to the VIP. Or if you have some experience, very you don't have much learning curve, you think you can take these signals just as I give them in the chat here, then shoot me a message and I'll see how I can fit you in to the VIP group. In the meantime, have a wonderful night. Thank you so much and good night. God bless.